Google Flow gives you free credits, but most people run out of credits after just a few videos. What if I told you there's a hidden method that can help you create way more videos without paying anything? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. And honestly, when I first discovered this method, I was genuinely surprised because I didn't expect it to work this well. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process step by step. And the best part is that you don't need any paid subscription or any complicated setup. Also, before we jump into the tutorial, just take a look at some of these amazing videos. Believe it or not, all of them were created using AI. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Google Flow more efficiently and create a lot more videos without constantly worrying about running out of credits. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, head over to Google and search for Flow AI. From the search results, open Google Labs and sign in with your account. Once you're inside, you'll see an interface like this. And if you click on your profile, you'll notice that Google gives you 50 free credits every day, which you can use to generate AI videos. Now, let's create our first video. Simply switch to the video mode, choose your preferred settings, upload an image, enter your prompt, and hit the generate button. After waiting for a few moments, our video is finally ready. And honestly, the quality looks really impressive. The motion is smooth, the details are great, and the overall result is surprisingly good. But as you can see, generating a video consumes credits. And since each generation costs credits, you'll quickly realize that the free quota runs out pretty fast. And we've reached the limit, and unfortunately, we can't generate any more videos. Or can we? Because this is where things get interesting, and this is exactly where the trick comes in. Now, head over to Google and search for VEO automation. Open the first link and add the extension to your browser. Once the extension has been installed successfully, simply open it and complete the initial setup. After that, click on Navigate to Flow, and the Flow interface will open automatically. And this is where things start getting really interesting. Because instead of using the normal method, we're now going to use this extension to generate our videos and see whether it can help us get around the usual limitations. So let's test it out. First, I'll switch to the frame to video option, upload my image, enter the prompt, and adjust a few basic settings. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click on Run, and our video will start generating. After waiting for a few moments, the result is finally here. And honestly, the quality looks really impressive. The motion is smooth, the details are clear, and the overall output is amazing. But here's the interesting part. Let's try generating another video. So once again, I clicked on Run, and after a short wait, another video was ready. And just like before, the quality is still excellent and everything looks exactly as expected. Now everybody knows that with the normal Flow credits, you can only create a limited number of videos every day. But let's push things even further. So I clicked on Run one more time, and surprisingly, another video started generating. And here it is. The video is ready and the quality still remains the same. Which means that by using this method, you can continue creating more videos without constantly worrying about running out after just 2 generations. And honestly, that's what makes this trick so useful. Alright guys, now it's completely up to you how many videos you want to create. But honestly, by using this method, you can create a lot more AI videos and get much more out of Google Flow without constantly worrying about credits. You can do everything for free. So go ahead and give this method a try and start creating some amazing AI videos for free. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts or any other AI tools you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Trixie, and you're watching Nexa AI. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.